When it comes to boring holes, Cat's got the auger to fit your needs. Maximum amount of torque delivery to the ground to churn that earth up and excavate it out for footers, sonic tubes, fence posts, you name it. We've got the solution that you need on a hydraulic excavator, a mini hydraulic excavator, skid steer loader, multi-terrain loader, compact track loader, backhoe loader, and don't forget compact wheel loader. That compact wheel loader, the 906, 907, and 908 platform, utilizes a skid steer coupler, which allows the use of any of our hydraulic augers. When it comes to the Auger Drive, the A7 is the smallest model, delivering 815 foot-pounds of torque to the ground, making sure you can excavate that material for 2 to 3 ton size machines shown here, as well as on 1 ton machines in that mini hydraulic excavator range. The next step up is also a standard flow auger, an A14B. The A14B is similar in housing size. It is direct drive. Both the A7 and the A14 are direct drive augers. What that means is it translates the oil from the machine into earth churning torque through a set of gears. The A14 has 1,700 foot-pounds of torque delivering to the ground. After that, you have the A19, which we show here. The A19 is the first model that offers a gear reduction of a single planetary system and gets you up to 3,000 foot-pounds of torque. After that, there's an A26. The A26 is a high-flow auger, featured on compatible skid steer loaders, backhoe loaders, and also the 8-ton platform of mini hydraulic excavator. That A26 auger gets you to 5,000 foot-pounds of torque to rip up anything that you can find in the ground. Now, in order to rip up that ground, you've got to do it with a variety of bits that we have available from Cat to match your application. We start off with a standard bit. This uses a bolt-on system to engage the teeth that actually cut the ground. That bolt-on interface is featured here on this far right or far left in your perspective auger, and that is our standard flight. The next step up is an industrial flight for more rougher ground conditions. They also feature hammer-on or hammer-off ground engaging tools, or teeth in this case. These teeth have a variety of different designs depending on your needs. We've got chisel, we've got double carbide, depending on how coarse or how rough the ground surface that you're boring is in that job site. When you get into really rough ground conditions with rock all throughout it, we also offer 2 different severe duty auger bits, which are shown here. The severe duty auger bits have 1 or 2 options. Well, this first option is a welded on solution, which is dedicated rock bit. It's a heavier duty flight. It has hard facing on the outside and features conical bits found on cold planers as well, a similar design, in order to tear through that ground and make sure that you can get it out of the hole. Now, if you don't want to step up into a severe duty bit, but you still have the occasional rough ground condition, one option that we also offer is a bolt-on rock head. This transfers a standard duty bit into a heavy duty bit or a severe rock duty bit, depending on what you call it. That standard duty bit utilizes the same bolt holes that you would attach the teeth or the ground engaging tools to, and puts a conical bit section on top. This can allow you to cut through that dirt for that occasional rough ground condition job and then translate it back into a standard bit for your day-to-day ground or dirt work activities. For more information on the full line of Cat augers, I encourage you to contact your local dealer, check us out on YouTube or cat.com, and I look forward to seeing you next time.